This will become part of my Boujee Nails on a Budget series. Hey everyone! Hey NailTubers! So for this set, I'm going to be using All Colors by Sinful Colors. Now this polish is very affordable. I usually pick it up at Walmart for about $1.99. Now, as some of you know, my Boujee Nails on a Budget series is mostly me using regular nail polish. This is to help those who are in nail school, who are getting started, who's doing it just for fun, and just looking for affordable ways to enjoy doing nails. I mentioned in a previous video how much I like Sinful Colors because of its shelf life. Most of the ones that I have, I've had for 4, possibly even over 5 years. But I'm really excited about these because I just picked these up, and you know what? These are part of the, guess what? Yeah, the matte collection, and y'all know how I feel about matte. I have no idea what made me choose this color combination for this set. I think they were sitting next to each other on the shelf, but it turned out so beautiful together. This mint green is so lovely, isn't it? So I'm using the larger side of the makeup sponge because of the size of the display nail, and I'll start an ombre. Here's a quick tip. It will take more times to ombre over a clear nail enhancement. Be sure to wait for each coat to dry a little and keep your sponge saturated with polish. Here's a second coat of the solid colors. I don't know why so, but this pink seemed to be a little more sheer than the other colors. So I decided to go in with more because of some of the places that I missed from the angle of my view. I just think that it made the matte look even better, especially the white. Now, these are polishes I picked up at Dollar Tree, and they're by Kiss. Now, understand this, nail tubers, even though it says gel, a gel polish, a real gel polish, will never come in a clear glass bottle. The bottle's going to be opaque to protect it from any light source. I decided to try them out to see how well I can stamp with them. So now we have reached the blooper portion of the video. But this is what we're going to do. We're going to make a game of this. This has been made black and white for a reason. This has been put in slow motion for a reason. So you should be able to spot what's going on in this clip. I want you to leave me a comment and tell me what you think it is. So there you have it, y'all. It's going to be real interesting to see who recognized what actually happened. Now, because of the blooper, obviously my stamping didn't come out exactly perfect, but I'm okay with that. It looks pretty decent. A few touch-ups and it'll be just fine. My silver striping polish is dried out, so I reached for this silver glitter gel. I got this in my Model 1's order as an extra. So this being a gel, keep in mind that it does have to be cured. I usually cure for about 60 seconds. a little touching up on the stamping. Honestly, I think this set is gorgeous even without the bling, but I decided to add some crystals because I'm working on practicing stone placement as well. Of course, it's optional. Here, I definitely wanted to do something different than the cuticle arc. I wanted to do something a little more cohesive to the pattern of the stamping. To unify this nail with the one that has been stamped, I add the silver gel to it too. To finish off this set, I used the matte top coat that came in this collection. I am really delighted at how this set turned out. It looks so fairy tale, doesn't it? I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'm so glad that you could make it by. Be sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this set. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and ring that bell so you don't miss any more uploads from me. Well, I really enjoyed this today and I hope to see you in the next video. Much love! And now here's your answer. Tell me, why am I trying to stamp this nail while it's still on the stand? I can't even wrap the stamper around it. Look at that panic.